So this is a presentation that I created that could be used at a professional development day about a type of technology that can be used in the classroom to really make learning come to life for students, and it is called augmented reality. So let's get started. First thing is, what is augmented reality? So augmented reality is integrating digital information in the environment that the user is in. So basically all that means is that the student is in the classroom and they are integrating all these things around them. Um, and then what does it do? So augmented reality allows students to interact with what they are learning. It allows them to learn in a new way and see things maybe that they normally would not. So it could make a picture, that they're working on really come to life and pop out at them. So some reasons that you might use it in your classroom: it allows students to really participate in their learning. It allows for that deeper understanding of information. It allows students to retain information longer, because studies have shown that when they interact with it, it can allow that. And it really develops their curiosity about things. And then since I am a kindergarten teacher, I highlighted some kindergarten resources of augmented digital resources that could be used in a classroom. Some of these, though, could be used probably for first or second grade as well. So one of them is the Quiffler Education, Blimpar, Math Alive, CoSpace Ed, and Wonderscope. So I'll give you a little brief overview. So Quiffler, this is an app that allows students to color certain coloring pages, and then when they hold this over it, the image pops up right in front of them so they can see what it would look like in real life, their picture. Blimpar is an app that allows students to connect with images in their textbooks. So instead of it just being a flat 2D image, it allows it to become 3D and really come to life. Math Alive, this is one that allows students to practice counting and those basic numeric skills that all students do. And the cards that'll have the numbers on them, they pop up for them. So it just is a fun, interactive way. Then CodeSpace one, this app allows students to build 3D objects and give them some animation features. And then Wonderspace is one where students are learning to read, and they bring ordinary places into their real life story time. So like I said, augmented reality just really allows those students to connect and deepen their learning. So this is a great online resource, and hopefully you'll be able to try it in your own classroom. Thanks for watching.